Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to create a box around text in Google Docs. So get started. At first, open your Docs file. Firstly, create a box around text is going to the insert menu option and click for the drawing option and click for plus new option. Then waiting, then we can see. Then now click for the shape option, then again click for shape option and click for the rectangle shape option, then create a shape, then change the background color is going to the fill color option and click for the transparent option and click for border color option, then choose color and click for the border weight option and click for the 3px 4px option. Now click for save and close option. Click for the border and click for the in font of text. And click for the fixed position on page. Move to the fixed position. Then again another process is around text box and going to the forward menu option and click for the paragraph style option and click for the border and shading option. Now click for position 1 2 3 4 and click for the border weighted. Now click for enhance color and border dash option and click for the apply option. Then again select your text and going to the format menu option and click for the paragraph style option and click for border and shading option. Click for the choose color, click for apply. It's okay. Then show the carrot box around text in Google Docs. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.